I was thinking tomorrow, but I just might leave today. Cause more and more these city streets all seem to lead one way. And that scenery is constant and the landscape so plain. And therefore I welcome the change. I welcome anything that's anything separate from where I stand. And I'll proudly brave this new world that exists outside your hand. I'll be a shadow to you, honey. I'll become the land. But don't be surprised if I'm hard to find, cause I'll know where I am. I'll be changing, and so I welcome the change. I'm in love with the stars, cause I envy how they hang. As constant constellations in an ever-changing space. Cause I've been alive for one instant, and I can already feel me fade away. And unlike them,